Hey guys, how's it going? This is Felipe. First of all, how are you guys doing with all this coronavirus pandemic happening in the world? The reason I'm making this video is because I have been living in Miami Beach for almost 3 years and I still getting a lot of questions, concerns about coming to Miami or not at this time. Today is March 28th, and yeah, if you wanna watch and check how everything's happening here in Miami Beach, I'm about to show you how isolated Miami Beach is right now. So come with me and I'm gonna show you everything around the most touristy and famous place in Miami. So come with me. First things first, we do have a curfew. We're not supposed to go out of their houses unless you're not doing something on their essential basis, which is banks, pharmacies, groceries. So I am about to go to the pharmacy and the grocery, so I'm going to show you around how crazy and isolated Miami is right now. So take a look. So the first stop is here at Lincoln Road. As you guys can see, it's dead. There's nobody. You can literally count how many people are walking. All the businesses are closed. The restaurants are closed. Stores are closed. It's really crazy. For those that have visited Miami already, you know that this street is really famous for the restaurants. So it's always packed of people, tourists, residents, and locals. And it's crazy that now it's empty. Now we're in the second spot I want to show you guys. This is the Espanola Way. It's a little small street with a bunch of restaurants and it's completely dead. Just for the record, now it's 2 p.m. and usually at this time all these restaurants are packed with tourists and locals. You're probably gonna get tired of me saying the same thing, but it's shocking that all of this pandemic, the coronavirus threat, is making the whole city a ghost town. It's insane. This street also is really well known. It's Washington Street and there is nobody. The majority of the restaurants and clubs are in this street and everything's closed. The restaurants are only allowed to have a takeout. They don't accept dine-ins anymore. And it's insane. Like, usually you see a lot of people walking around, eating. It's just insane that everything's closed. And I know this video is being a little different than I'm used to record, to just showing my trips and fun and nice stuff, but this is unfortunately it's the reality that we all are facing right now. And I don't know how the economy is gonna get back to normal, and it's just crazy. So now I'm gonna show you the beach for you guys. All the beaches are closed, so we cannot, there's no access to any of the beaches here. But I'm gonna show you the craziest thing, that all the cruise ships pretty much are are anchored right in front of the beach. So it's insane. Let me show you. So look, you see, all the cruise ships are anchored right there, and obviously you cannot access the beach. There it is. This is the boardwalk. Yesterday I was actually walking and running around here. That area wasn't closed, so I guess people are still coming out and they don't want people to come out of their homes, so they probably are gonna close all the boardwalks throughout the whole beach. Yeah, so let's now go very quickly to Ocean Drive, and that to me is the craziest part, because as you guys know, Ocean Drive is super touristy, full of people. No matter the day of the week, the time, it's always packed. And I'm gonna show you. This is Ocean Drive right now. I am kind of gonna go slow There's no access to the beach on the side. You can only walk on the sidewalks or at the street. But that's how it is right now. And it's really crazy. Just to think that, you know, there's nobody. All these hotels are closed down. Some of the restaurants are still open, but just accepting takeouts. Pretty much everything is closed. New York. Me encanta, me encanta. So you still see people happy, as you guys see, which is good. I was gonna show you this part of South Beach, which is one of my favorite parts, which is South of Fifth. To me, is one of the most beautiful places in South Beach to walk around. My favorite acai places here, Pura Vida. But unfortunately, everything is closed. So it's literally like there's a limit that you go there and that's it. And that's the reality, guys. And the beach looks so pretty. I wish I could come in. As you guys can see, the water is very pretty. But that's it. Very sad. My biggest takeaway of all this time off, fortunately, I am still be able to work from home, but I know a lot of people lost their job due to this whole craziness. But try to stay positive, stay home, be safe. I am trying to be more proactive, doing things that I can get done at home, some studying, editing some videos, working, kind of like enjoying the time to talk to friends via FaceTime, things like that. Hopefully this can end very soon because we all so tired to be home. I hope you guys liked this video. So if you did, give me a thumbs up, comment, share it, subscribe, and I hope I see you guys in the next video, but in a different way than this one, okay? See you guys, be safe.